Good day everyone. So ayan for today's video. So i-review natin tong application si Crazy Rock. So which is marami akong napapanood nito na free earning application daw to. So meron tayo ditong two choices of login, which is you can use your Facebook or Google login. So for me, I will choose the Google. So wait na lang natin at naglo-loading pa siya. Ayan. So mag-ano tayo dito ng magla-login lamang tayo. So, wait na lang natin naglo-loading ang application na ito. So, first thing, after natin mag-login dito sa application na to, so let's check about this. Ito yung grand prize daw dito. So, kapag nakapag-pass tayo ng level 5, meron tayong makukuha na cumulative na 75 LE to finish. Ayan, so meron siya dito hanggang sa 360 levels. Dito naman sa mission, ayan. So, kapag nakakomplete daw tayo dito ng 5 times, so meron tayong makukuha na points na 140. So, every video, meron tayong makukuha na 45. Ayan. So, kapag nag-online tayo on time, meron tayong makukuha na 45 points. Dito naman sa invite, ayan, dito natin makikita yung invitation number natin or invitation code. So, kapag nakapag-refer tayo dito ng if you refer friends passes the level 5, you will get, so makakakuha tayo ng 480 coins plus 1 gems. So, yun po siya. And then, kapag dito, as you can see, wala pa nga akong nakikita dito o wala pa akong reward. So, ayan yung fill in the ID reward. So, ayan siya. So, which is, hindi pa tayo makakakuha ng reward dyan kasi nga wala pa akong na-invite at kaka-download ko lang sa application na ito. So, dito natin makikita yung profile natin. So, ayan, meron dito yung gold coin details, box coin, and yung bank details. So, wala pa tayong record dito. So, as you can see, makikita nyo rin yung language settings. Pwede nyo siyang i-change dito kung ano yung gusto nyo. But for me, nakaset na siya ng English. And now, let's proceed naman dito sa skin. So, ayan, ito yung mga character at weapon pala na pwede nating pagpipilian dito. And dito naman, so dito kailangan nating mag-exchange tayo to withdraw. So, normal exchange. Dito natin makikita. So, I'm not sure kung paying ba talaga or legit ba talaga tong application na to kasi kaka-download ko lang. And dito naman, so ano to siya? Fill in the invitation code and you will immediately receive the following rewards. Kapag mayroon kayong malagay dito na invitation codes, makakaroon kayo ng instant 50 rewards. And dito naman, so yun, dito yun na maglalaro daw kayo but I'm not sure. So, continue the task. So, i-return na lang natin kasi hindi ko pa sure kung paano to siya lalaruin. Dito naman yung sounds, pwede nyo i-turn off. So, wala pa tayong email and wala pa tayo, it's 0 pa. So, ayan, so before we proceed sa application na to, punta muna tayo sa Google Play Store. I-check lamang po natin. Ito si Crazy Rock. So, as you can see, meron na siyang 5 million downloads, yung application na ito. Ayan. Meron siyang 5 million downloads and then meron na siyang 4.7 ratings and reviews. So, as you can see dito, makikita natin yung mga reviews ng mga application na to. Good feedback naman siya. Meron ding mga bad feedback, but as you can see naman, so hindi pa talaga natin alam kung ano yung dito sa application na ito. So about this game, dito natin makikita, so kailangan lamang daw natin dito i-throw yung rocks, beat monster, and earn real rewards. 3 exciting games modes. So dito siya, ayan, follow the steps lang natin to dito. So which is, itong application na to is meron na siyang 5 million downloads, and updated siya September 25, 2025. So, ayan, pwede din to siya sa iOS. Na-release yung application na to is last year, September 25, 2025. So, ayan, at kung naintindihan nyo man yan siya, so let's proceed to play. So, let's try to start a game. So, tips niya dito, continue to the game. So, papaano ba to siya? I'm not sure din ha. I think, kailangan mo mag-ano ng stone dito for him. Ayun. Throw. So, nakapag-victory, may nakuha tayo doon na 706. Confirm natin. So, ayan, meron pala tayo ditong available na 20 games every day. And, ayan, so let's proceed again. So, dito, bali, dalawa na sila. Level 2. Ayun, naka-victory tayo ulit. And, ayan, laro tayo ulit. Dito naman, ayun. So, that's how. Ganun lang po siya kadali laruin. So, let's check here. So, meron tayong 2,259. So, we'll see. Normal exchange daw is kailangan mayroon tayong gem dito na 36. Ayan. So, meron siya dito sinasabi. I-try natin to. So, i-clear daw natin once, ayan, how to obtain exchange items. Once all redemption are completed, all the box coin will be automatically withdraw. So, go to clear level. So, hindi pa natin siya mawi-withdraw. So, we'll try again. Check natin. So, naka-level 4 na tayo. Plus 6 to 9. So, I'm not sure. Oops. Bumaliktad sa atin. Dalawa na lang. Uy, yun. Naka-victory tayo doon. 751 plus 12. And now, so yun. Hindi papunta doon. Ay, tamaan kang anak ka. Parang nalilito pa ako sa larong to ah. Again. So, 248 normal exchange. So, I understand. So, ayan, exchange daw natin. 1. And then, i-withdraw daw. Paano ba mag-withdraw dito? So, pwede tayong makapag-withdraw method dito. Pwede siya Vodafone, Etisalat, Orange, and PayPal. So, pag PayPal, maglagay tayo dito ng email and name. And then, click lang natin yung confirm. So, dito meron siya ditong withdrawal rules. Withdrawal are available upon reaching the requirements amount. And payment will be proceed within 1 minute to 3 business days. There's no delay limit on cash withdrawal. So, I will try to choose dito sa Vodafone. No. Email, PayPal. So, ayan, maglalagay lang ako dito ng email. Ayan. So, ayan, di ko muna to malagyan kasi hindi pa pwede. So, basta yung minimum daw dito is 490. Maximum is 1,900 LE. So, 0 pa daw yung money ko dito. Why? So, ganun. Sabi nga niya is 0 pa. The minimum amount to withdraw to Vodafone is 5 LE. Please keep working hard. Okay. So, I'm not sure. And ano to, i-check natin to. Still return. So, ayan, lalaruin ko muna to and then I will try to check if it's legit ba talaga tong application na to. As of now, hanggang dito na lang po muna yung ating video tutorial about sa application na ito. So, based dito sa withdrawal, ayan, we'll see. So, kailangan pala natin dito, so, yung clear the level. So, ayan siya, may nakalagay dito, clear the level, and then go to complete daily tasks. Bago tayo makapag-withdraw dito, so reach the specified activity level to receive rewards. Which is, kailangan natin makapag-invite dito ng 5 person. And then, kailangan daw natin itong i-download. May pinapa-download siya dito. Kailangan natin laruin. And kailangan natin makapag-complete ng 5 times to play a video. And 5 times in every video. And cumulative videos 10 times daw. And kailangan natin mapass yung level. And kailangan natin mag-online bago tayo makapag-withdraw dito sa application na ito. Ayan, so normal exchange, tomorrow exchange is the requirements. Ayan, sabi nga niya dito. So, yun lang. I'm not really sure kung it's a legit paying application na to. So, as of now, ito lang yung ma-share ko sa inyo. And, I'm not, hindi ko kayo fino-force na i-download yung application na to at laruin ninyo. Kasi, hindi din ako sigurado kung still paying pa ba yung application na to. Which is, marami akong nakikita sa mga ibang mga co-vlogger na meron silang nakapag-withdraw sila dito and which is legit naman po talaga siya. But this, sabi ko sa inyo, kung gusto nyo dito is hindi ko kayo pinipilit dito sa application na ito, okay? So, ayan, hanggang dito na lang po ang ating video tutorial for today. Have a good day, stay safe, God bless, and see you next time on my next vlog.